What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Caspians. I'm back with another video for you guys. Caspa is taking over and the proof is in the pudding, guys. I'm telling you, Caspa is one of the best projects in the space. As far as altcoins go, man, Cas is crushing it, man. You guys can see that BTC right now is retracing. It's back below $29,000 right now, guys, but Cas is going for new all-time highs. If that's not any indication that Caspa is like the unicorn, the beast of the cycle, man, I don't know what to tell you. I really don't know what to tell you guys, man. Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, make it go viral, and go support the previous Caspa videos. I got them all in a playlist for you guys. We also have a top influencer in the space, one of the biggest crypto content creators, finally showing some light to Cas and finally realizing just how powerful Caspa is. We're gonna get into that in just a bit, so make sure you guys watch until the end. Right now, Cas is sitting at 39 cents, right, just under 4 cents. Again, like I said, it's looking to be making new all-time highs, man. That's what Cas looks like it's aiming for. You know, the previous all-time high was around 4 cents, 1 cent, and you know, like I said, 10 to 14 cent Caspa this year. It looks like it's gonna happen quicker than we expect, man. Crazy, just absolutely insane, man. Cas is, like my comment section says, man, Cas is king. Hold on, let me give some quick shout outs to people in the comment section, man. I really appreciate all the support. Shout out to Loki, Burke, Pedro, Shaw, SentQuest, Ronald, Gerardo, and Charlie, man. Charlie hit his 50k Caspa goal. Nice stuff, man. Nice bag. That's what I'm saying, man. Even if you just got 50k, it's a nice bag to have for the future. Cas right now sitting at $781 million in market cap, just under $27 million in 24-hour trade volume, man. Let's see what people got on CMC for me, man. DZW, where's my 4 cents? Vegas odds, Caspa hits 5 cents by Friday. Okay. Beard ring breaking 4 cents, and somebody apes in. What a time to be alive, right? We're gonna talk about that somebody and cover the video he talked. I think he was live streaming, or you know, yeah, I think so. But he all of a sudden is, you know, like Caspa is like in his face now, so he can't ignore it anymore. Casparagus cup and handle complete. Cas fireworks. Booba, I'm bullish on Cas. Shout out to everybody in the Cas community. Kratos, mate, all set for a new goal equals 10 cents. I'm telling you, 10 cents is on the way, man. Alpha Cas hash rate keeps flying. New listing is coming. That means more eyes, more volume. Z2, I'm a bit confused. I haven't bought Caspa coin yet, so would it be better for me to buy Caspa coins directly from the new exchange in the future? I mean, look for an entry, man. Look for an entry, and you know, buy on, you know, the other exchanges it's listed on. You know, if you can't, if you're from the US, use a VPN, right? That's VPN. That's the smartest thing to do. From A Black Mon, silently crept up into position 57 of the top 100. I'm so bullish on Cas, and this is the CoinGecko statistics, right? Because if we check CoinGecko right now. Take a look at CoinGecko. You'll see. Scroll down a bit. Scroll down a bit. And then here you go. Number 56 ranked Caspa. Right? Because CMC, whatever reason, isn't updating Cas by the by the market cap it has. Right? Eventually they will, though. Eventually they'll put it in the top 100. But we can see right here, man. Number 56 Caspa. ZJZ, Cas is the easiest hodl out there for the next bull run. Load up those bags while there's still time before we peak in the $2 to $3 range in 2025. Shout out to ZLJ, my apologies. But yeah, the peak for $2 to $3 range 2025, I really think that's incoming, man. And from Jim Skibum, after discussing the ball rug today, we have none other than Bitboy turning to discussing Caspa on his live stream just moments ago. So one of the biggest content creators, I'm sure everybody in crypto knows Bitboy. Controversy aside, if you love him or hate him, he's one of the biggest channels in the space, man, sitting at 1.4 million subscribers. and all of a sudden he turned to discussing Caspa on his live stream. He mentions it as a coin he's keeping his eye on for the long-term hold, and one that he would buy if it breaks above 4 cents. We tried to tell him earlier and he didn't listen, so now he must pay a premium. That's it. This is how it works. You find the alpha early and you get the early bird discount. You find it late and you pay the premium. Kaspa has it all: fundamentals, vision, talent, community. Key phrase to know here, used by Bitboy today: long-term hold. So we're gonna take a look at this video right here, guys. This is gonna be crazy because like I said, it's the top influencers now are starting to take notice, and then boom, Kaspa is just gonna keep blowing up. So you get in before the top influencers, and that's how you make those crazy gains, man. $1 to $3 Kaspa is incoming, man. Let's take a look at this video.
NFTs are not doing well right now. I would stay away from flow potentially. Now, Kaspa is one that has my attention. Why? I know nothing about Kaspa. I do know that, you know, if you are from, I don't know, maybe Boston, you would probably say Kaspa. If you're talking about Casper, maybe people think it's the same thing. Don't know much about it, but I do know a lot of people are talking about it.
Do your own research, Bitboy. I know you got a lot of stuff going on, but all you got to do is do your own research, man. When I saw it running last year, I didn't do my research, or else I would have aped in even when it was running, man. I had a 005 entry, so I could have got 100K for $500 back then, man, but I missed that chance, man. You know, that's why when it came back down recently, around a month or so ago, I was like, okay, now it's the time to scoop some up.
When you come here, you look at the 90 days, look at the 180, let's go to the 1 year, let's go to the max. Well, you know what? It double topped here, so here's what I would be looking for Kaspa. I would be looking for Kaspa. If this thing were to get above 4 cents, you are probably looking at this thing running again and having a big run up. So I wouldn't be getting in this. I know it sounds a little backwards because right now it's at 38.6. We tell you buy in the red, sell in the green. But with it being right here at like 3.8 cents.
I see what he's saying right here. He's saying, you know, instead of getting in at a resistance, because this is a big resistance for it, because remember, this is the previous all-time high. He wants to see if it breaks the resistance and then breaks out from the resistance before he gets in, which is smart, because if Cas doesn't break this resistance, it could retrace. But in my opinion, this thing is such a beast, man. I wouldn't bet on that, but let's see.
But with a double top here on the chart where it got rejected off of 4 cents, I would be looking to get into this thing if it gets above 4 cents. So you have somewhere you can look, like kind of set alerts on Kaspa. This would be something to watch go. Now, the interesting thing here is if you look at this chart, if you dig in, let's just go to the last 14 days here. It got all the way up to 4.04 cents. It's got to get higher than that.
Yeah, that's what he's looking for, guys. But you know, that's the thing what I'm saying, right? Now it's on Bitboy's now Bitboy got full attention on it, man. And we already know when Bitboy covers something, when these top influencers cover something in the space, whether it be an altcoin or some type of news, all the others follow, right? So I wouldn't be surprised. Altcoin Daily, Cryptos R Us, Lark Davis, you know, give me a big YouTuber, a big crypto content creator. I'm sure they'll be covering it as well in the future, man. Whenever Bitboy starts to, you know, really dive into Cas, right?
For me to be impressed with it. And you can kind of see another little, a mini double top here where it hit 395 and then here it hit 3924 and it got rejected again. So it's got to get some more momentum for me to really consider it, but it is what I'm looking at maybe for a little more long term because people are talking about it. I got to do a little more research onto it, which maybe some days on the show we're going to like do deep dives. We're going to do deep dives and go deep into one coin maybe, and that would be a good one to look at. So I'm looking here. I think
nice stuff, man. So you guys see what he said. It's a long-term hold for Cas, man. Caspa news. Cas started the same as how BTC started years ago. The only difference is Caspa solves the blockchain trilemma. Scalable as it runs through block secure proof of work, decentralized, no pre-mine, no ICOs, no VCs, and it is community driven. Distribution of top Caspa holders by public addresses. And that's some nice distribution, man. Cas digital silver, man. And you know, the top 100 holders hold 34%, top 10 hold 16%, and top 1 is 4%. And this is showing the exchange wallets as well. So the top holders of Cas are probably just the exchanges right now, right? Because this is showing all the exchange wallets also, man. Absolutely bullish stuff, guys. Super bullish stuff. Captain Sats, when someone who collaborated with Satoshi turned to the Cas founder to learn how to do better protocols. You probably should pay attention to their most recent protocols on Caspa. Probably nothing though. And this is Zuko. Ghost is a protocol by Jonathan Zampolinsky and Aviv Zohar. The Ghost follow-up run of the same authors. The Ghost protocol, Sergio Damian Lerner. Their Ghost variant. Finally, I'd like to mention that I met Jonathan and we learn about how to do better protocols from these researchers. See that, man? All of these OG protocols, guys, I'm telling you, got some type of inspiration, some type of knowledge, some type of know-how they even learned from Jonathan and Aviv, right? These are the founders of Caspa, and we look at how far Caspa is crushing it now, right? This is the digital silver of the space, guys. I'm telling you, don't fade. Caspians, I appreciate all the support. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Cas and myself will be in the description. Please support the channel further by becoming a channel member or joining the Patreon. Link to that is in the description. Blow this video up, make it go viral, get it to 10,000 views. You see Bitboy crypto getting more bullish on Cas, man. You see that? Support the channel like you guys, like, you know, people support Bitboy, guys. I appreciate everybody that does support though, man. You guys are amazing, and I'll catch you in the next one.